Hello to you, I'm Jessie Johnson. This is how to do mortality rates, which is the total deaths divided by the total days per population size. Mortality rates are simple and uses only basic arithmetic, not advanced arithmetic. Mortality rates are made of three simple things. 1. Total deaths from the disease or ailment. Number 2, divided by the total days. Turn all months and years into days. Number 3, per the population size of the region or country, etc. That's all. Let's take the bubonic plague, B-U-B-O-N-I-C, bubonic plague epidemic as a standard. This happened in 1347 to 1353 AD, approximately 6 years length. Europe had a population of approximately 70 million at the time for the whole of Europe. 1/3 of that population, or 223 million people, died. That's 12,600 deaths per day in about 5 years, or 1,825 days. Or simply 365 days times 5 equals 1,825 days. 23 million deaths divided by 1,825 days equals 12,600 deaths per day. The present pandemic today for the United States of America as of March 8th, 2021, I'll do for the state of California, which includes Alameda County, which had 1,289 deaths. The East Bay, which is made of 9 counties, had 5,520 deaths. The state of California itself had 54,222 deaths, and the United States of America as a whole had 525,031 deaths, and the total world had 2,589,638 deaths. This information is taken from Google.com, the parent company of YouTube.com. For the United States of America, it's 395 days, or February 6, 2020 to March 6, 2021. And for the world, it's 490 days, or November 1st, 2019 to March 6, 2021. For mortality rates, it's simply total deaths divided by total days per population size. And this can be done everywhere on Earth, no matter what the population and so forth. The United States of America, starting with Alameda County, please look at this particular chart. This chart. Now, on your left, you will see mortality rates at the top. Mortality rates for the state of California, United States of America, and the world. You will see place, deaths, days, deaths per day, per population size up here. And we'll start with number 1. Alameda County had 1,289 deaths divided by 395 days equals 3 deaths per day per a population of 1,680,000 humans. And the number of births neutralizes the number of deaths if there are equal or more births per day taking place in any location. And number 2, right here, is the East Bay, made of 9 counties, had 5,520 deaths divided by 395 days, which equals 14 deaths per day per a population size of 7,520,000 humans. Once again, the number of births neutralizes the number of deaths to 0 if there are equal or more births per day taking place in any location. We'll go to number 3, right here. California, the state of California itself, had 54,222 deaths divided by 395 days equals 137 deaths per day in a population of 39,600,000. We'll go to number 4, right here. And that's the United States of America as a whole, had 525,031 deaths divided by 395 days equals 1,329 deaths per day, that is, per day, in a population, out of a population of 328,200,000 humans. Now we'll go to number 5, right here, number 5, right here. This is the world, the whole world, and it is stated that there were 2,589,683 deaths divided by 490 days, which equals 5,285 deaths divided by 192 countries. That is how many officialized countries on the earth. 5,285 deaths divided by 192 countries equal 27 deaths per day per country or per nation out of a population of 7,300,000,000. 27 deaths per day per country out of a population of 7,300,000,000 humans. The number of births neutralizes the number of deaths to 0 if there are equal or more births per day taking place in any location. I want to thank everyone for listening and watching. Please share this video worldwide or on as many social media as you possibly can, so this simple message, but powerful and necessary in these drastic times, can listen to it and hear it. And I want to thank everyone again, and please share this video and have a very, very fine day. Stay healthy.